Hi everybody, Mark Mcrae here from Inaxsys. I'd like to introduce you to one of our brand new kits that we have. It's called a Rover kit. This is an 8-door Rover kit. So inside of the 8-door Rover kit, we have a 6-amp power supply. The 6-amp power supply is there to power your door strikes. It is a UL or a ULC egress approved power supply. So it's 6 amps that we have of 12 volts or 24 volts DC. If you take a look, it separates the lock outputs in this model of Rover box, separates the lock outputs into 8 separate relays or 8 separate lock outputs. And on the ICT side of things, on the access control ICT side of things, we have a master controller. The master controller handles 2 doors. And then we have 3 of the half-DIN door expanders, or HRDMs. That's what they're called, okay? So this is 2 doors, and then 2 additional doors for each one of these 3 door expanders. And on the bottom, we have an 8-amp power supply, and the 8-amp power supply is there to power the controller, the door modules, and also all the readers and other accessories that might be connected to the access control, the ICT access control portion. The door strikes or mag locks are connected and powered by the Inaxsys power supply that we have up here and through our late 8 lock outputs. Now, this is the 8-door version of the box. We could have a 16-door version with a bigger power supply, more modules, and then a separate 8 more relays on the bottom. We could have a 12-door version where we would have 4 more relays on the bottom here. So 8 plus 4 would be 12. Okay. When we ship the boxes, everything is pre-labeled. So we have the labeling. You're going to have a wiring diagram that comes with it, and everything is already pre-wired. So all of the lock outputs from the modules are pre-wired into the input of the lock outputs from the power distribution boards also. All of the bus cable is pre-wired using the specially designed RS-45 wiring looms that we have. And they have different sizes to save on the length of the wiring loom so that inside of our wire ducts, there's not too much wire. It's very, very, very clean, okay? We also put ferrules. So all of our wiring is wired in using ferrules to make it super clean and extremely durable. So all of our connections are wired in using ferrules, right? So once we're ready to ship, we pre-wire it, we're ready to ship, we will then disconnect the removable connectors, take the ICT components out, put them back in the original boxes, and ship the kit with the ICT boxes, so all the hardware is protected, and all the integrator has to do after the fact is simply reconnect according to our wiring diagram, reconnect the modules, and they're simply snapped in on these DIN rail mounted rails that we have here. So the dealer simply has to spend a couple of minutes snapping into the correct position and reconnecting the wiring that was pre-done. So this is a pre-made kit that ships out and absolutely for sure saves hours and hours to the integrator, who simply needs to screw this box onto the wall, connect the AC in, and everything is automatically powered up and everything is done. Snap in the modules, and you have a 4, 8, 12, or 16-door kit pre-assembled for you, pre-wired for you. Everything is done, everything is tested for you. And these are called the Inaxsys Rover kits in 4, 8, 12, and 16-door options. Thank you and have a great day.
If you found this video tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up and click subscribe on our channel so you don't miss future content.